Okay, we see some change in this video. I was not happy with this other map. It can be used for deluxe and easy map. So instead I exploded the PDF underlay we have. So I get everything now into polyline. Like this. And then it was to figure out which one are terrain and what is for the plot and house and this and that. So then I go and follow this. See this line coming here, and there's a new line coming up here, and it going over and coming up there. So then I just select them and I take the group, like I can do not there, only polyline. That is also a polyline. I don't have interest of this one. That is a group. And then I just explode it one time. And do it now. Alt, Shift, E. And you see inside here there are many groups again. So I take this one. Alt, Shift, E. Another one. Alt, Shift, E. Then I did that all the time until I was finished with the map. And I selected everything I think is, believe is terrain. Like this I believe is terrain. And this one. And this one. This one and this one. And this one. This one I'm not sure. Yeah, this going up here, so that is a terrain line. And we have this and this. There are one more here, this one and that one. The problem here is I don't know what time do you start to go up. I have absolutely no idea. But I can figure it out if I use a different map. So anyway, I say I believe that is terrain line. This is not. This follow. That is the thing that follow the train station, the railway. This is a house. This I don't think. So I say I believe this is the terrain. And then I say they should be blue, not by layer. So that's why it looks blue now. I can release it. I don't see any more now that is what I believe is terrain line. This is two straight edges going there, and up there. I don't think that is a terrain. And then I should make terrain out of it instead. I don't show everything about that in the video, that is too boring. I think this line is a little bit strange because it is stuck here. I wonder if that is not the terrain line or have they cut it because of the road. I don't believe on this. So this line I take away. That can be, this is not, this is too sharp in edges. But that one is not the terrain line. So I take that away. I say it should be by layer. There's two, there's double up there. There's another one. That first one is by layer, and the other one is I put on sitemap. Everything sitemap, but I put it blue, and I don't believe that is the normal terrain. Everything is in position set. So I say by layer on this one, and I do the same with this one. that one should be by there. It makes no sense because there's nothing that continue. This also, this is a terrain line, I can believe. But this one, yeah, that only go around that area. That's something else. And then it is to figure out where is that one. I have this, and I have a line, terrain line here, that going through this house. That's easy to see on a different map. So if I go to this place, this is officially map from Norway. This is Norwegian government mark, as I say, logo for the map. I'm zooming in here, and I already set it here, and then I see here, this is, they guess this is 17 meters above sea level. They've never been there and take the measurement, but that's what they believe. And that's also the same place we have a line. And you see here, they go in this wall I was talking about. And I can also say this place. I click on that one. And then I see it's 16 meters above sea level. And if I click on this one, that is 18 meters above sea level. 17.9. I wasn't close enough. I cannot zoom more in than this. This is maximum. But for every meter, they will never be 17.9. So there I meet the correct. So now it's 18.9. Then we can see we have this, and we have here 16.6. So I go down to 16.6 there, and it is 16.4, and down here is 16.3. The road is 16.2, and so on. So then we can see a little bit about how it goes. So then I will use this line like 16 and that line like 17 in TurboCAD map. I only show a couple. It's boring for you to sit and watch. And I come back again with the video when I have done it. And then we make it rain from this line. And we see how it is. Maybe it's nice, maybe it's not. I don't know. So yeah, so that was the plan. But then you see this, how I can figure out the height. I can say, yeah, this is a little bit interesting actually. 18.1. And then this in the road here is 18.7. 18.8. 19.5. So here going up. 1.5 meter to this area. And then we can also see this is going more small steep, coming up there, turning around here, and then it becomes a little bit more flat on this level. And this is some kind of industry. I don't know what, but also I don't care what it is. The good thing about this that I can see where's the water. You see back there, this one, that is going down because there's the water. There is the water. But it can go down someplace in between here also. Only we don't know. So we see what I find out and how I calculate and think I want to do. So we can see on this area, that's up on 25 meters out. So it's 7 meters from there and up to here. So this is pretty steep here. And that area for coming up to this. Then I go back again to TurboCAD. And I say, this is our house. Then I need to select this line. And I need to see if there's anything else that follows. there, ending there, and this one is connecting, so I also selecting this one, and it go to the end of the mat, on the end here, going there, coming down here, and I press shift and selecting that one, and going down here, and around and up, and out of the mat. When I have found a complete line, I will change the color to red, and then I say it should be in position 18,000. Then I have the correct position for that line. No, whoops, 17,000. That is what it is. Then I finish with this line, and I will continue with this as I go into the house. That is on 16 meters. So I say this one, go there, and I go to the end, and going here, and going down here, and going up again, pressing shift, selecting this, and this one, and that one was on, first of all, it should be red, and it should be on 16 meters. And we have two of about 50. So that's why I say I do some of them. Then the next one here has to be on 15 meters. This go down to here and then stop. So there's one I forgot to change color. Pressing this one. How far did we come with that? Go only to this point, and I say this one, and this is now magenta all over. I can make it more thick. Maybe it's more easy to see the color. So there, I go here, going out there, up there, and we're going to the end of the mat. Then I say that one should be red, and it should be on, that is 14 meters. No, 16, this is 15. Then the next one should then be 14. Is this one, and that one. Oh, there's many to choose between. Shift, this one going out of the map, this one going down here and out here. Then this also is finished. I say it should be red, and it should be on 50. Then we have some short ends. That line is on 14. I say position 14, and it then change to red. This polyline is 13. I say red, and I say 13. And this one will be 12. If we're going down, I don't know. It seems like it's going up also. Also this seems like an island in here. Okay, I don't care. I say this is, what was it? I forgot already. This one is 13,000. I say this one is 12,000. That is not the correct one. This is split in two, so shift. I say this is 12,000. Go to red. And 12,000. Then we have this one. This, I think, go up. This one is the same like this one. I forgot to say this one. I don't know this, of course, I only guess. That one is right, I put it on 15. I think this one also is 15. And it's going out from map. Then I say it should be red, and it should be 15. Here I believe it go up. Else I will show with water in. So then I say this is 16. And I say change it to red, and then this is 17. I can change it to red and say 17. So, and then I will work my way around the map, and I come back with the video after I'm finished with everything. So this is boring to sit and watch, repeat for 1 hour or whatever. So take this, and I say put it, and then we move back again. Now I tried. There's no warranty that is correct, but it's about. But you know about a little bit about how long time it had take for me to do this. And that's why I say it's not worth it if you should do this professional. Then you just buy the map. And it's also 100% correct. And it's the same that the government use, so nobody can complain. On this one they can, because I never buy it from them. So, but then the reason why I use color on this and that is because I want to select it by color. Then I use Control K, and I can select everything that is red in the door and say OK. And then I want to make a new layer, and I can still make the layer. I can call this terrain line, but he has something here that is, you see he has something in plan. Is that alright? Take everything even if it's not visible. That I didn't like. Okay. No. Boom. Plan 2 is on. I take it. I cannot take everything, but I take all the room. And this, I close that on. I don't expand it, I close. And close. There's nothing right in there now. Inside here, there are something that are red. Window 2. Why are they red? They should be black. Inside here there is something red? No. Why does it have a reaction on that then? Nope. Room 5. Modifier. They are red. Now everything seems to be black. EM. Underlay. Base map. Base map, there's a lot of it. Base map we don't need. Open this one. And I select by. Okay. I turn them on. Select by. Why? there. Now select by. This is the old map. Delete. Now I finish. Nothing inside there, so I delete that filter. Where would we filter that? This E is nothing right. Underlay have nothing right. E is nothing right. I did delete everything inside it, I believe, but obviously not done. Baseline, this one, I shift. Then I say this, this, this. Not corner box, not either dim page drawing area. This, and this, and this, and this, and this. This. Here are, which we have. It's spooky because I have big character. This sitmap. Yeah. This, and this, and this, and this, and this. Then I think we have it. All there is delete. Why window have become red, I don't know. Window 1, window 2 is black. There should be black. Baseline. They are red. I say they should be green. Footprint is red. I say that should be green. Everything is open. Yep. Then I can use select by red, Control K, and I want the red, and OK. Like this. There's nothing inside here except from sitmap. That should be selected. And I make that, what I call this, terrain line. Didn't I make an eye of that? Maybe I dropped it. Make terrain line. And this should be in here, meaning I can close sitmap. What is sitmap 2? It's on, but there are no sitmap 2. Direct by. It's not. Sitmap 2. Delete. And this is our terrain. It is in exact correct position over the house. So I select this, and I go down to. I have closed that one. Yes. Coordinate, and I go to close. Go to option. This is okay. The comma. I don't want the CS mode. I type. I want to save it. I want to explode it. I want to do Word, and I say OK and OK and export. And then I should have it as a TXT. I don't use that one. I give it a new name. To my B. That's a different name than this. If I use the same name, TurboCAD will not remember, so I will get the old mapper, even if I want to save it as a new, because it has similar names. So this overwriting, not always right. I have experience from that. This is a lot to line 17,000. Yeah, so there many line also. I cannot check this. I say save. Then I have this, and then I can scroll down here. 17,000, 13,000. Why go that? 18, 21, yeah, doesn't matter how we put it. Then I close this one. I don't need that one anymore. Close. Then I want to insert that map. Put here, and I want it to be open. There's more to do here, it seems like. I didn't have correct work. Plain by word, and I say that, and I want to have to be open. You see, this map is much more heavier because there's crazy amount of line instead of the other one we have. There we have it, and then escape and finish. This one delete. This one selection info. The property ISO step should be 1000. I don't want to see them. Then we need to find the point. That is easy to think. We have this coming down here, coming up here. It's going up in this corner. And this time I tilt it so I know 100% sure I get the correct point on the top. D is in V, up top here. And I want that to be, I don't remember it anymore. That point should be then up here. I take this and move it up to this point. And I should snap it to that line down there. V. So hopefully, and I see it from the side. I see a totally different landscape now. And this is also actually how it looks in that area. There's a lot of up and down and small hills. And then they're coming down. This is an arrow in the map. I can, like I showed you earlier, this one going down. This is something I have forgot to lift up. This line. Then the question is, where is this? That polyline is on 22,000, I would believe. To stay way down here, it should be maybe 23,000. So we can try to node edit. Take this, delta set. what did I say, 22, 23. There's still something left there, I don't like that. Why? I'm not sure, so I say Control Z. Take this. There's also something that I forgot to take off, it seems like. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we see. At least this one I just delete because they are not important. Delete node. And then we see what happens. Coming up, there's still a hole there. I don't like it, but hey ho. I have homemade. I go and see it from the side. There must be some node in there also, up in the air. This. No, there's an arrow in the map. That's nothing. And then this about which one will be the one that's correct or not. I don't know, so then I just leave. It's not important. I want to have a material, and then I go and give it the material to be terrain. We have cancel. I go to material. This. Now we need to scale it up again, I assume. So I go to quality. Yeah. Also over there. But here we can see the road going up. So I take this and I edit 50,000. And I say apply and OK. There we have it. As you see here, there's some arrow. That is not what we think. This one has been lifted wrong. But else we can look a little bit like it. There also is an arrow on the map here. We have a point coming up and there. But if you don't do anything with the picture I should make later, I don't care about it. They can be. But this one was annoying. But that is definitely not what they have. This is the last place where the ice going over, you know, before going out in the North Sea. And that's why we have some flat areas in between here, because all the sand and gravel and this and that ended here. This one is also not likely too sharp. But they are kind of round everywhere in this area. So that is correct. Then we make it, and we need, this is correct place at the moment. But we put this into terrain. We have terrain. I take this and I put it into terrain org, and I go to wireframe and I'll make a copy, and then I say tab enter, and that should not be in 0. I can turn off. No, I cannot. Let's take the last one. They didn't go into terrain org. I should have it into terrain. Now there's only one left. That should be in terrain org. There. And I close that one. Terrain line I can close. Then I put it on the terrain. Yeah. Then I want to have scale was not open, but okay. I pack this together. Foundation can be open. First plan, second plan, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, and 10 scale. This is all the three. I want to have the roof on. This one. I want to have the roof tiles. I want to say that should be red. Then I'll hopefully see it in here sometimes. This Wi-Fi. Roof tiles, select by. Down there. Is this correct then? How in the world? Except when we are now. The point is, this point here was 23.6 meters or something. There's too much in the way. So I'm going to close this terrain. That roof and I'll open this as a picture. Nope. As a map. Yeah. See it from the top. Top of this is 2313. 2313. Map I can take off. And if I say this one, and D in B, that's what I say. D in, yeah, that's a D. That is now in 7568. That's the number I want. Control copy. And then there was 2313 like that. Minus Control V. Enter. That means the terrain should coming down 15562. Copy. Based on this thing. That is it. Then we take away picture. I'm adding the terrain and terrain org. They are now in the same place. I take them both. I should have two terrain. No. I should also have the terrain line in case I want to change something. So I take this and this, and I say terrain line. I put them on, and I also use selecting that one, and I say select by, and then I say in delta set minus Control V, enter. And then I take away this. I close. Okay, I'll take everything. Put them on this, and I see it from here, and I say hidden line. Where's the house? Okay. Only one of them going down. I don't know what this one is. This is the original terrain. It should go down in that set. Control V. Minus, thank you. Enter. Oh, Jesus. I have copy. Yada, yada. Delete. I take away the copy, that's for sure. Now we have to see how many do we have. I have here 1 or 2. That is 1. Both layers are on. No, they are not. Terrain org is on. And here I have now 2. And up here I have 2. Delete. And then we can see the meaning there is a problem with this terrain line, because maybe, or most likely, I have both there also. Terrain on, off, and lock. That terrain off. And I go to wireframe. Terrain line on. Yay! That's clever. I have 2 layers. I had 3. Is that 2? At least 2. Okay. At least this I can delete. And this. Now it's the tricky one. This not going more. So from here I'm not there. At least over here. Delete. This one is a different now there's, I think there's 3. No. At least this one. Alright. Is this looking natural? That line? Where is it? It's in 8.4 meter. That can be because now we move everything, but then is this one 9.4 then or 7.4? That's 14. But that one is way too high. So I don't believe in that line. This is the house, this is the open. Did it go like this? No. Alright, delete. If it's wrong, it's wrong. Then over here also I see, no, this is only right close, it's very steep. It seems to me that there are better. 3, 4, 2, 8. 7, 6, going down there. And 2, 4. Yeah, no, they mess it up. They are mixed. But hey, I don't care to use time on it. I have what I want. If I really want, then I can go in and check it or not. It was valuable. So I close this one, and I put on the normal terrain. This is the area we should work in. I go to from this, and I see from hidden line. Not so easy to see. This and this, oh, to quality. If you ask me, no, it's only because of the they come very close. That cannot be correct. I don't. Okay. This one, this one. This one. I zoom again. Maybe let it work so I don't crash, hopefully. I zoom 2-3 times before I remember that I'm zooming. Time number 1, no, time number 2. Okay. I don't believe in that either. This is wrong. I'm going up like this. This one going down. The way I see it. Not up. So I go there and I lifted it up instead of going down. This is the other way I go. I can go up there because if we see on the picture the train going into a tunnel someplace in this area, so that can be, but not here. Here it should be higher up. I can go back to this. I close this. Where's the train? We have the house here. Train is there. There you see. There's a tunnel. So that can be. Get this going up. Go down here. Don't going up. With the big mountain going down. Then I can go and don't know, take no more left, leave it there. This house. I have this, why do we have this strange color? Black and white. If I want it in land, what's this? Raster, air photo. How it look like? If I go to land and I want to know, this one is 16 and this one is 16 also. Okay, and this one is 16. This is 15. So this 16, yeah, this is, there must be something going up or down in between there, because it's 16 there, 16 there. And then this one is 15. Then let's go to 14. And this one is 13. No, that's 15. Coming up again. 16 and 17. Okay. Then I have to redo it, but I don't care to do more today. So you have to adjust the map, compare it to the line I have here. And then I'm making a new map. That's good, because then I can also delete everything that crash, triple copy and stuff like that. For me, we have made something that going up to this area here, someplace, I think. Maybe even more, maybe up here. So then I need to adjust that also, but that's boring to make video about. So then I close this video and I come back again when I have adjusted the map to fit the number I get here.